So you can actually scan QR codes with the webcam of your laptop, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So most laptops will come with a built-in webcam and the software to run that camera. So all you have to do is go to the search function and just search for camera. That's going to open up the camera app designed to work with your computer's webcam. So here's my webcam, as you can see. And so some, depending on what manufacturer you're using, might be able to scan a QR code directly, but for some, you might have to go to the QR code scanner. So there's an icon on the webcam. It might say barcode scanner, but it's going to scan QR codes as well. So I do have this QR code that I have right here. This QR code leads to my website. So if I scan it like this, just make sure I get the writing correct. You can see it's going to pop out the link for my website, and I can click on it and do what the QR code is supposed to do. So that is basically how to do that. Now, obviously, my website is kind of offline right now, but yeah, that you get it. So that's how to use your laptop to scan a QR code. So you can use this when you're in a restaurant and you want to scan a QR code, maybe check out the menu and do stuff on your laptop. Thanks for watching and good luck.